go gather. Another player will come out from nowhere where you go see where you go put the ball for inside the back of the net. You see him with Ademola Lookman. You understand what thing they do, they come. The moment when we say Victor Osimhen, they drag all those defenders.
Everybody, yes,
away.
In day free.
Lookman. So if you want to go put time for Simon Moses' body, the person where go fit go be the danger man can be Lookman, it can be Victor Osimhen, it can be Alex Iwobi. You understand? It can be Samuel Chukwueze, can be Terry Murphy, can be Paul Onuachu.
You hope so they go fit play ball.
You understand? So the team gets a lot of quality when it comes to that attacking third to make them very difficult for teams to pinpoint. Say, okay, who be the player, who be the talisman where I want to put under lock and keys. So the moment you put eye for one person, you see another player, they spring up, they do the dirty work. We even see say a defender don't even still score for us. In the person of William Troost Ekong, step up to take a vital penalty.